In this tutorial, I will show you symbols tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So symbol tool is located here. I am right clicking here and this is symbol tool, which shortcut is Shift S. So I am right clicking here and here is multiple tools. I will demonstrate all the tools, so that way I am clicking here in little arrow here and I can access now all the tools from a single tools options. So to demonstrate this tool, I am making the size of the symbol square tool smaller by pressing left square bracket, and I am accessing symbol options from the Windows menu bar. So I am accessing these symbols, these beautiful animals, holes symbols. So after selecting this tool, I am clicking and dragging over the canvas, and you can see here is beautiful symbols has been placed here with this tool. So the next tool is symbol shifter tool. I am clicking here. I am making the brush size little larger. So in this tool you can see here is few arrows has been appeared. You can change the direction or shift the position of the symbols I have pasted. You can see I can easily move it. Now this tool is symbol Scruncher tool. Using this tool you can squeeze or making the position more tighter than previous. You can see the symbols are more squeezed to each other. Now this tool, symbol sizer tool, with this tool you can size the symbols. I am clicking here, you can see it is making larger and larger. If you hold down Alt from the keyboard, the symbol will be size will be decreased. Next tool is symbol spinner tool. You can rotate the symbol using this tool. You can see you can rotate them. Next tool is symbol stainer tool. I am making, to demonstrate this tool, I am making the color foreground color green. So you can coloring this option. Just click here. You can see the symbols colors has been changed. But if you click and hold down, that it will catch more color, or if you hover over, the color will be they will colorized based on the opacity. Next tool is symbol screener tool. You can change the opacity or visibility of any symbol. I am clicking this tool. You can see now it is visibility is decreased as down the opacity. And next tool is symbol styler tool. This is the last tool. To demonstrate this tool, I am going to window and this is graphic style. I am accessing graphic style tool, and here is, you can see here is drop shadow. You can use any of them, but I am showing you the drop shadow graphic style. So after accessing this and accessing this tool, I am hover over this section and you can see drop shadow has been applied to these symbols. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.